Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide notes in Siri and Search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Notes. In here, tap on Siri and Search. Then, if you want to show or hide notes in Siri and Search, you can tap on Show App in Search. Tap on the toggle button to show or hide the app in the Search. In here, you can choose to show or hide the app content in Search. So tap on the toggle button to show or hide the content in Search. At the top here, you can choose whether you want to allow Siri to learn from how you use notes and make suggestions across apps. So tap on the toggle button to allow or disallow learning of your Notes app. Lastly is the suggestions of your Notes app. So in here you can choose to turn on or turn off, show suggestions on home screen, in-app, and suggestions notifications. And finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.